Kanji number 81. Here, in the case of meeting, the kanji stroke of that kanji like that, and sound like that kai. Kai. So here again, this, that, and that. So this is the kai for the case of meaning of meeting. So word and meaning. Ei kai wa. Ei kai wa. That means English conversation. Ei kai wa. English conversation. So ei. So here how to write. Ei. So we know already kai and wa. Ei kai wa. That means English conversation. And second, kai gi. Kai gi. That means meeting. So we know already the kai. So here is gi. This is a complex kanji gi. So here letter, a big horizontal one, vertical, and like that. And finally this one. So meeting, kai gi. So this is the meeting kanji. So here is kyu kai. Kyu kai. So this is the church. Church, kyu kai. So here how to that one. And both here is q, and this is kai, q kai, church.